So these are my palm trees. This is my fan palm or windmill palm. And this is my Washingtonia Filabustas, cold hardy palm, and it's been in the ground here since spring. It's late fall now, November the 10th, 2025. It's about to go through its first winter, so we're going to winterize it and protect it. And we'll take you around and show you the other palms that I have. I have two mule palms that I bought from Tai Nursery, and they're doing really well. One I have not set out, but I am going to get it set out today. That is this one right here, and it's particularly cold hardy, so it should do well in this climate here near Charlotte, North Carolina. And the other one I already have in the ground, which was the smaller of the two, and it's doing really well. So these should be cold hardy here in zone 8A and should do really well. I have one more Washingtonia Filabustas, and I will take you around and show you that. So it's really chilly today. The temperature is only in the 40s, but we have a breeze blowing, and it's giving the air a cold bite. So winter's definitely coming, and we're not looking forward to it. But here's the other Washingtonia Filabustas. So this was doing really nice too. It was not doing as well as the other one at the beginning of the season, but it has really taken off and looks beautiful. Really proud of it. I just need to work hard to keep it safe during this first winter, so that we don't lose any of the center of the palm. We don't want any of that to freeze, so we're going to protect all of that, especially on icy nights. We'll just need to have those covered over with frost cloth and keep water and ice out of the center of the palm, because that's what will destroy them. If you get ice and stuff to build up down in here, snow, it can kill this center of the palm where it produces all of its new growth. So we don't want that to happen, and we're going to get this covered up, get some Christmas lights on it, and hopefully give it a good start for next spring. Thanks for watching.